What if I told you that one simple breakfast choice could be the difference between walking confidently at 70 or needing a walker at 65? I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and what I'm about to share might frustrate you. Because the truth is, most people over 60 are accidentally weakening their legs every single morning, without even knowing it. But here's what gets me excited. Recent studies show that adding specific foods to your breakfast can preserve leg strength by up to 72%. And I'm not talking about expensive supplements or medications. Before we dive in, drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. And if you want to stay strong and independent, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me paint you a picture that might feel uncomfortably familiar. You wake up. Your legs feel stiff. Those first few steps to the bathroom? They're shaky. Maybe you grab the wall for support. You tell yourself, I'm just getting older. But here's what's really happening. While you sleep for 7 to 9 hours, your body enters what scientists call a catabolic state. Without food, it starts breaking down your own muscle tissue for energy. And which muscles does it target first? Your legs, the very ones you need to walk, balance, and live independently. Now, what do most seniors do when they wake up? They skip breakfast entirely, or they grab coffee and maybe some toast. Sound familiar? That white bread and coffee combo? It's doing absolutely nothing to stop your body from eating away at your leg muscles. The National Institute on Aging warns that adults over 60 can lose up to 1/3 of their leg muscle mass in just 10 years. That's the difference between hiking with your grandkids and struggling to get out of a chair. This silent muscle loss has a name, sarcopenia, and it's sneaky. There's no pain, no fever, no obvious warning signs. One day your legs just feel a bit heavier. Another day you stumble slightly on a curb. Eventually you start using your arms to push yourself up from the couch. When your leg muscles shrink, everything else starts falling apart too. Your balance worsens, your walking speed drops, your risk of falling skyrockets. But listen carefully. This is not inevitable. A groundbreaking study from Tufts University revealed something remarkable. Seniors who ate a nutritious breakfast with the right ingredients recovered up to 35% of their leg strength in just 8 weeks. 8 weeks! And the foods they used? You probably have them in your kitchen right now. Let me tell you about Tom. He's 69, a retired construction engineer who used to hike hills without breaking a sweat. But last year, he couldn't even get out of bed without his knees feeling like rusty hinges. His feet felt numb. Every morning started with slow, unstable steps. Then one morning, he tripped on his porch step while getting the newspaper. The fall wasn't serious, but it scared him deeply. He realized he was losing his confidence, his independence, his freedom. Tom had no serious illness, no diabetes, no arthritis. What he was experiencing is what doctors quietly call the after 60 phase, when muscle loss accelerates silently but powerfully. That's when Tom discovered something that changed everything. The strength of your legs depends greatly on what you eat in the morning. He made one simple adjustment to his breakfast routine. No medications, no therapy. Within 3 weeks, getting up felt easier. His steps were lighter. The cramps disappeared. By 2 months, he was walking 2 kilometers each morning without stopping. These days, he tells his wife, I feel like I've got my legs back. And you can do exactly what Tom did. So let's talk about the 6 breakfast foods that can transform your leg strength after 60. There's nothing easier or more powerful for rebuilding leg muscles than a simple cooked egg. But here's what most people get wrong. They throw away the yolk. Big mistake. The yolk contains vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, a compound that literally triggers your muscles to start rebuilding themselves. Research from the University of Illinois found that seniors who ate just 2 eggs daily for 8 weeks saw remarkable improvements in leg strength and independence. The vitamin B12 protects your nerve coating, making your steps smoother and steadier. Fewer stumbles, Better coordination. How to eat them. Have the entire egg, yolk included, within an hour of waking. Boiled is best. Try scrambled eggs with spinach or tomatoes for variety. Stick with this for 30 days, and you'll likely notice fewer cramps, stronger legs, and greater ease standing up without help. While eggs rebuild your muscles, oatmeal provides the steady fuel they need to function all morning long. Oats contain beta-glucan, a special fiber that reduces inflammation and helps stabilize blood sugar, crucial for adults over 60. Chia seeds bring omega-3s, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals prevent those nighttime leg cramps that disrupt your sleep. How to prepare it? Cook 3 tablespoons of rolled oats with water or nut milk. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add banana slices or blueberries if you'd like. Eat it warm within an hour of waking for better balance, fewer cramps, and more endurance throughout the day. Bananas are nature's electrolyte powerhouse, perfect for preventing leg cramps and maintaining muscle strength. A medium banana provides about 400 milligrams of potassium, which maintains the electrical balance in your muscle cells. Without enough potassium, your muscles misfire and spasm. Harvard researchers found that seniors who regularly ate bananas were 33% less likely to experience leg cramps than those who didn't get enough potassium-rich foods. Important note: if you have type 2 diabetes or kidney concerns, choose a smaller, slightly underripe banana. Best practice: eat your banana after your main breakfast, not on an empty stomach. Pair it with oatmeal or Greek yogurt for better nutrient absorption. Greek yogurt is your secret weapon against the muscle breakdown that happens while you sleep. It has nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt, and it contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady stream of amino acids to support leg muscle maintenance. A 170-gram serving contains roughly 17 grams of high-quality protein and leucine, the amino acid most effective at jump-starting muscle protein synthesis. A study from Maastricht University found that older adults consuming 20 grams of protein each morning while doing light exercise showed notable improvements in leg strength within 6 weeks. How to eat it? Choose plain Greek yogurt within an hour of waking. Avoid varieties with added sugar. Add unsweetened berries, cinnamon, or chia seeds for flavor and extra nutrition. Including salmon, mackerel, or sardines at least twice a week in your breakfast rotation is a game changer for leg muscle recovery after 60. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle inflammation, improve protein uptake, and enhance muscle tissue synthesis. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published research showing that adults over 65 who ate 2 servings of fatty fish per week retained 27% more leg muscle mass compared to those eating only red meat or no fish. Even better, they experienced improved walking ability, better balance, and a 36% lower risk of falls due to leg weakness. Salmon also provides 20 grams of highly digestible protein per 100-gram serving, plus vitamins B, 12, and D for neuromuscular communication. How to prepare it? Pan-sear fresh salmon in extra virgin olive oil for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Serve with roasted sweet potatoes, steamed vegetables, or avocado slices. Smoked salmon works too if fresh fish isn't convenient. Here's the surprise I promised, and it might be the most powerful food on this list. A simple steamed sweet potato with a light sprinkle of natural mineral salt. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates that replenish muscle glycogen stores after your overnight fast. Their starch doesn't spike blood sugar, providing steady energy that prevents morning leg fatigue, cramps, and weakness. They also supply potassium, magnesium, manganese, and vitamin C, nutrients that support circulation, nerve signaling, and leg function. Now, about that salt, I'm talking about Celtic sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, not table salt. These unprocessed salts contain over 80 trace minerals that maintain smooth muscle contractions and replenish electrolytes without drastically increasing blood pressure. A study from the French Institute of Mineral Nutrition found that adults consuming high-fiber breakfasts like sweet potatoes with mineral-rich salt for 90 days demonstrated 41% better balance and nearly 50% fewer falls. How to eat it. Sprinkle a small amount of Celtic or Himalayan salt on half a warm, steamed sweet potato. Eat it 10 minutes before your main breakfast with a glass of warm water. This simple habit can reduce numbness, cramps, and shakiness while standing or walking. Now, eating these foods is crucial, but combining them with 5 simple morning habits will multiply your results dramatically. Habit number 1. Warm water with salt. Upon waking. Before anything else, drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of natural mineral salt. This restores electrolytes, improves circulation, and helps prevent cramps. Habit number 2. 3-minute leg lift exercise. Lift one foot 2 to 4 inches off the ground. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch. This strengthens your calves, thighs, and hips while improving balance. Do this while you're making breakfast. Habit number 3. Don't rush out of bed. Take 3 deep breaths. Sit up slowly. Rotate your wrists and ankles gently. This reactivates circulation and reduces dizziness or fall risk. Habit number 4. Get 5 minutes of morning sunlight. Step outside or stand by a sunny window. This boosts vitamin D production, strengthening bones and aiding calcium absorption. Habit number 5. Never delay breakfast. Prolonged fasting triggers muscle breakdown. If a full meal isn't possible, eat at least a small portion, a boiled egg, a bit of oatmeal, or half a steamed sweet potato. These habits, combined with the 6 power foods we discussed, create a complete system for improving leg strength, circulation, balance, and preventing age-related muscle loss. A study from the French Institute of Mineral Nutrition found that adults consuming high-fiber breakfasts like sweet potatoes with mineral-rich salt for 90 days demonstrated 41% better balance and nearly 50% fewer falls. How to eat it. Sprinkle a small amount of Celtic or Himalayan salt on half a warm, steamed sweet potato. Eat it 10 minutes before your main breakfast with a glass of warm water. This simple habit can reduce numbness, cramps, and shakiness while standing or walking. Now, eating these foods is crucial, but combining them with 5 simple morning habits will multiply your results dramatically. Habit number 1. Warm water with salt upon waking. Before anything else, drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of natural mineral salt. This restores electrolytes, improves circulation, and helps prevent cramps. Habit number 2. 3-minute leg lift exercise. Lift one foot 2 to 4 inches off the ground. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch. This strengthens your calves, thighs, and hips while improving balance. Do this while you're making breakfast. Habit number 3. Don't rush out of bed. Take 3 deep breaths. Sit up slowly. Rotate your wrists and ankles gently. This reactivates circulation and reduces dizziness or fall risk. Habit number 4. Get 5 minutes of morning sunlight. Step outside or stand by a sunny window. This boosts vitamin D production, strengthening bones and aiding calcium absorption. Habit number 5. Never delay breakfast. Prolonged fasting triggers muscle breakdown. If a full meal isn't possible, eat at least a small portion, a boiled egg, a bit of oatmeal, or half a steamed sweet potato. These habits, combined with the 6 power foods we discussed, create a complete system for improving leg strength, circulation, balance, and preventing age-related muscle loss. Your legs don't have to weaken with age. You have more control than you think. By choosing the right breakfast foods and establishing simple, effective morning routines, you can walk with confidence, maintain your balance, and live actively long after 60. Tom did it at 69. Thousands of other seniors have done it, and you can too. Remember, small actions each morning contribute to long-term mobility, stability, and independence. Every egg you eat, every glass of warm water you drink, every moment of morning sunlight, it all adds up. Let me give you a simple action plan to start tomorrow. Week 1. Add 2 whole eggs to your breakfast every morning. Notice how your energy changes. Week 2. Include oatmeal with chia seeds 3 times this week. Pay attention to any reduction in leg cramps. Week 3. Start your morning with warm water and mineral salt. Then do your 3-minute leg lifts. Week 4. Add Greek yogurt, bananas, and start incorporating fatty fish twice a week. By week 4, you should notice a real difference. Easier movement, better balance, more confidence in your steps. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss strategies that can help you stay strong and independent. And here's my question for you. Which of these 6 foods will you add to your breakfast tomorrow? Drop a comment and let me know. Your future self? Walking confidently, playing with grandkids, living independently, is counting on the choices you make today. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about the evening habits that can double your leg strength gains while you sleep. Take care, stay strong, and remember, your best years are still ahead of you.